Welcome back. Today I will show you how you can create your own WhatsApp avatar like this for free. Please like the video and subscribe. So let's get started. Open your WhatsApp. Then click on three dots. Now click on settings. Now click here. Click on this camera icon. Here click on avatar. Tap on get started. Here select create manually. Now select your body color. Click next. Select hairstyle. Click next. Select hair color. Click next. Select body type. Now select your outfit and click done. After that click here and your avatar is ready.